Hello everyone, today we make English cake, the original recipe and all tracks so beautiful, all details, all tracks to make it, and you can see the resin flying is not in the bottom of the mold, and I will show you how to do all of this in this short video. All you need, you just follow instruction. If this is first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes, pastry champion of Africa, working cruise line as a corporate pastry chef for many company. Hope you enjoy watching, and please leave comment if you want to know anything about dessert. Simple recipe: 100 gram butter, 100 gram icing sugar, 2 eggs, 6 gram baking powder, 120 gram flour, pinch of vanilla sugar, pinch of salt, and 30 gram of resin deep in hot water for 1 hour. This is the resin, flour and baking powder, 120 flour, 6 gram baking powder, 2 eggs, 100 gram butter, 100 gram icing sugar, pinch of salt, and vanilla. I use kitchen process because it's so easy to make. You can use KitchenAid or hand mixer, whatever you may name it. All you need, you just mix it very well to be smoothie, fluffy, and then absorb the flour and becomes so tasty when you eat it. When butter and sugar become so soft, I added eggs one by one. Then another one when dissolve the first. From time to time I have to stop to make sure that all butter, sugar, eggs is emulsify and becomes so soft, creamy, fluffy. What I'm doing now, I strain resin from water and then I must mix it very well with the flour. When I cover the resin with the flour and I mix, as you see, when it go to the oven, it will fly. It will never sit in the bottom of the mold. That's why we cover it with the flour. When I have smoothie, fluffy mixture, I remove from kitchen process to a big bowl so I can mix with the dry ingredients. Here we go. It's time to add the flour, mixing with baking powder. Make sure you mix it very well. Pinch of salt. It's very important. Any cake you must add it pinch of salt. It make, believe me, big difference in any cake. Now you make sure that all ingredients combined well. Is the time to pour into mold. This mold is 20 by 8 centimeter. Is enough for this recipe. If you want to make real English cake mold, you can double this recipe. You spread into the mold with same level. So easy. Then you take all over the batter. And now you can do preheat the oven 180 at least 10 minutes before you bake. This is very important step. Then I clean my mold from my mess. I put the mold into trays. My oven is hot and ready. I bake 180 for 30 to 35 minutes. You can see the cake is really wonderful, tasty, fluffy, melt in your mouth. Go ahead. My father was always telling me, don't work harder, just work smarter. Respect the recipe and you will have a great result always. Thanks for being my channel. Please leave comment. And if this first time to watch me, please make subscribe. All the best to all of you. Waiting you in another recipe, guys.